All right, this is another 52-inch Harbor Breeze Centerville ceiling fan installed in the laundry room at the house that we're remodeling. And this replaced a 52-inch black Harbor Breeze Windsong. And this room used to be a bedroom, but we converted it into a laundry room because it's upstairs where the other 3 bedrooms are, and they don't need a 4th bedroom, so we thought we'd convert this into the laundry room since it's a perfect place for it and everything. So yeah, I guess I'll start the demonstration of it. I'm sure it works just like the other 2 Centervilles in the Rompus room do. Yeah, it might be a little slower. I don't know. Yeah, this seems to be a little slower than those other 2 downstairs in the Rompus room. I don't know. I think this is going to be slower. And again, I will be filming 2 other Centervilles after this one, so. And that will be all the fans in the house. Get a different angle here. Wobbles a tiny bit, but still blows some good air. And that's all that matters, that it blows air. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.